Hello students, we start the new interesting topic of the lesson photosynthesis in higher plants, and the topic is C4 pathway or HSK pathway. The C4 pathway is generally found in dry and warm climate area, and the plant grow in dry and warm climate. Some examples are the mainly in maize. We called it HSK pathway because three scientists combinedly explain the process of these, and these are Hatch, Slock and Korshak. These three scientists combinedly explain the topic C4 pathway and this particular topic of the Calvin cycle run, and that's why the name is given as a HSK pathway. In case of C4 plants or C4 pathway, a special type of the adaptation found in maize, and that adaptation is a Crane's anatomy. Then firstly we talk about what actually the Crane's anatomy. Here we compare between the internal structure of the C3 plant and C4 plant. Here we draw the C3 plant and here we draw the C4 plants. In normal C3 plants, the cells are epidermis. These are lower epidermis. In case of lower epidermis, stomata are located. And between the epidermis, the cells are present. This is the vascular bundle. And around the vascular bundle, some mesophyll cells are present, or we call the mesophyll tissues. This type of the anatomy found in C3 plant. These are mesophyll tissue, or simply we call the mesophyll cells, and vascular bundle. But in case of C4 plants, the upper epidermis, the lower epidermis. In case of monocot, the stomata present on both epidermis, and in case of dicot, the stomata are present only lower epidermis. Centrally located vascular bundle is there, and number of the mesophyll cells which have a lot of air cavities is present, or we call the lot of intracellular gapping are there. But the vascular bundles of the C4 plants are surrounded by a number of compactly arranged cells or mesophyll cells. They are surround the vascular bundle, and compactly they form the number of layers around the vascular bundle. That is the special features of the C4 plants. And in this anatomy, these are the mesophyll cells, and around the vascular bundle, the mesophyll cells we call bundle sheath cells. This is the anatomical difference between the C3 and C4 plants. Again, the one thing is added here, the number of chloroplasts present in C3 are more in mesophyll, but in case of C4 plants, the number of chloroplasts present in both cells, mesophyll cells as well as bundle sheath cells, but in mesophyll the number is less, and in bundle sheath cell the number of chloroplast is more. Then the process of the glucose formation and the photosynthesis, it is actually happen in two types of the cells, mesophyll cells as well as bundle sheath cells. That is the one difference between the C3 and C4 plants. Actually, the process of Calvin cycle occurs in both cells. Calvin cycle occurs in both cells, both plant we call C3 plants as well as C4 plant. But the way of the Calvin cycle is different in both type. One important thing is keep in your mind is that in dry regions, the stomata are closed most of the time. So the concentration of CO2 inside the leaf is less, and that less concentration of CO2 affect the photosynthesis. Actually, the stomata are perform the three types of the function. They exchange of gases, two types of the function, exchange of gases like a CO2 and O2, and they are also perform the transpiration. But due to close of the stomata, there is no exchange of the CO2 and O2, therefore the concentration of the CO2 inside the cells is less, while the concentration of the O2 inside the cell is more, and the transpiration also not occurs. This is the all anatomy changes for the minimize the rate of the transpiration, because in case of dry environment and dry and warm climatic conditions, the rate of transpiration is very high. So the concentration of oxygen inside the cell is more and the concentration of carbon dioxide inside the cell is less. So the plant shows the C4 type of the anatomy, and it shows the Calvin cycle in case is little bit different than the C3 plants. Now we see how the process of C4 pathway run inside the cell. The photosynthesis process completed in two types of the cells. The one is the mesophyll cells and the seconds are the bundle sheath cells. Actually, the process of Calvin cycle runs in bundle sheath cell. So we are draw here the two types of the cell. Firstly, we see in mesophyll cells. In mesophyll cells, the one enzyme is present is there that we called PEPA, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, instead of Rubisco. In case of C3 plants, Rubisco enzymes is there, which is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor. But in case of C4 plant, the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is PEPA or phosphoenol pyruvic acid. It accepts the one molecule of carbon dioxide. Actually, there is no carbon dioxide because the stomata are closed. So the carbon dioxide comes from the mitochondria. In mitochondria, cellular respiration processes takes place, and the byproduct of the cellular respiration is carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide is utilized for the process of photosynthesis, and instantly it converts. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid is the 3-carbon compound. It combined with 1 carbon dioxide and converted into oxaloacetic acid, and it is a 4-carbon compound. Means the first stable compound in case of the C4 plant is the oxaloacetic acid, and which is 4-carbon compound. It is rapidly converted into another compound, and it is the reversible process, that is the malic acid. But for the conversion of oxaloacetic acid into malic acid, 1 NADH2 molecules are utilized here, and it convert into NAD. Then malic acid is comes in the another cells, and these are the bundle sheath cells. These are also 4-carbon compound. Malic acid is the 4-carbon compound. When it comes inside the bundle sheath cell, it undergo in third process, that is the decarboxylation process. Means the carbon dioxide is removed from that process, and that carbon dioxide removed that undergo in the Calvin cycles, and the whole Calvin cycles run here. But the Calvin cycle run in the bundle sheath cells, and malic acid is converted into pyruvic acid. That pyruvic acid is the 3-carbon compound. Means 4-carbon compound are decarboxylase, 1 carbon dioxide is removed, which undergo in the Calvin cycle, while malic acid is converted into pyruvic acid. This process also takes place in the bundle sheath cell. After that, that pyruvic acid again enter in the mesophyll cells, and it regenerated into the PEPA or phosphoenol pyruvic acid. But for the process of regeneration, it use 1 ATP, and it convert into ADP. In this way, the complete cycles of the carboxylation is complete here. Now we given the name to the process. The first process, addition of carbon dioxide, we called carboxylation. The second process, that is the reduction, because it is reduced in malic acid. The third process, decarboxylation. Again the carbon dioxide removed from malic acid, and the third process is here, that is the phosphorylation. In this way, The half process is complete in mesophyll cells, and the complete process of the Calvin cycle takes place in bundle sheath cells. This is the basic difference in the C3 and C4 plants. Now we say how much amount of energy is utilized in C4 pathway. In case of C4 pathway, or for the 1 glucose formation, 30 ATP and 12 NADH2 are utilized, and enzyme is required, that is the PEPA, that we call the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. While in case of the C3 plant, the enzyme Rubisco is utilized here. I hope you understand the C4 pathway. In next video, we talk about the next topic of that lesson. Thank you.